It was easy to assemble. And of course, my son was still working, and I had a couple of friends that would come by, and we'd get our tools out and bolt pieces together and put up the erector set. But it was real easy, and we had the floor poured, of course. And it was easy to put up. It was the most economical of anything we looked at. Done this part of the installation, and I plan to continue all the way over to the other side and put another line of cabinets in on the other side. And I air conditioned it. It cooled down this building in record time. And this is the latest project was this little table. For his pool area, I haven't finished it yet, but I have another one just like it that was made of hardwood. Hope to have this whole area just as a shop area for woodworking and to work on his lawn mowers and trucks and trailers and so on. Well, we put in 2 doors so that we'd be able to pull all the way through and not have to back in or out of the building. Makes it much easier.